Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna lift this car up a little higher because it's kind of too low, so I can put the suspension, and I'll show you how to do it. This is gonna be the challenge. In order to put all these control arms, you gotta actually drop the subframe. So I'm gonna have to drop the exhaust, if maybe you have to disconnect it, and then I have to drop the subframe to remove some of the bolts to replace this. Oh, safety first. Get the jackstand set up. Jack stands. Make sure that the car is not moving. Set in place. Alright, good. Alright, pause it. Pause it. Alright, so as you can see, our axle is broken. This leather controller, extra link, is broken, and the knee assembly is broken. Knuckle. Alright, let's start taking this out. Voila! So I'm gonna start with removing the cotter pin, so you can get the axle bolt out, and I'm gonna remove the caliper, so this is a little bit lighter. Take the rotor off, and we're just gonna go slowly, see what we gotta take off to change this thing. Meter socket to get the axle off. Take this off. And whatever you do when you try to tap this, never tap the bolt, because you're gonna smash the threads, and then it's impossible to put the nut on. So what you do, you put the nut back on it, you take a piece of wood or a hammer and tap it right here. You're gonna damage the axle threads. Piece of wood is plenty. And the axle is out. Alright. The bolts seem pretty rusty, and so is the nuts. So I'm going to give it a few minutes. I spray all the bolts. I forget this one. And let everything kind of soaked in, because nothing is coming off easy, and we don't want to break anything. So I'm just going to give it some time. The Leicester works for me pretty well. But people use WD-40 rather, Let's see. This was in there. Well, that definitely broke off, huh? And the car was parked for a while. How rusty this is. So definitely the strut. We don't have that. There's the only thing that they didn't have in the junkyard. Or a salvage yard. And I'm gonna have to take these off and simply just grab the pliers, and you gotta move them like almost 180 degrees. You gotta press them in to get the brake shoes out, so I can get to the emergency cable. You help yourself by holding with your finger the little pin in the back. Let's see. Almost there. Tap. Okay. All you have to do when you do this, oh awesome, what is it, spider? You gotta line it up right here. See, usually it's like that. You gotta press it in so the spring is loose, and then turn it, and that all comes out. It's pretty easy. When I pull the springs that go up top, this will kind of just open up, and then you gotta grab the spring and hold it with something so you can pull your brake cable out, and that's it. I showed how to put everything back together, because obviously we gotta put the suspension back, so you'll have an idea how to put all the springs and everything else back on the car. Alright. Now we loosen up the hot bearing. Seems like it's a little rusty but corroded, but I tapped a little bit with the hammer and it came off already. I have another one already, so I'm just gonna tap this one. Oh, looks like we almost got the brake cable out, emergency brake. Oh, there's a little pin right here. It's hard to see from this angle. Here it is. There's a pin right there. You gotta pull this pin down and you can pull the cable out. Now we got everything out. We just gotta remove the strut or shock absorber. But in order to do that, we need to take out the back couch, so we can remove this. Get the top bolt. Got the new suspension. This is all the broken parts. Let's put it back on. And now it's in. So after a few hours of struggle, because some bolts were rusty, we finally replaced the suspension. We're still missing a shock assembly, so I'm gonna just put the wheel on it so we can move the car around. We're gonna have to order the shock and a new caliper because one of the brackets is broken. So let's put the wheel back on it and finally drive it. Or roll it out versus pushing. Alright. Back on it, looks kinda hella flush. We swept the floor. Doing some rough cleaning to our Evo. Because the car was literally filthy. And she can't stand filthy cars. So even though we still have a lot of body work left to do, she's going through the whole interior. As I showed earlier, she power washed the whole inside. Not done yet. We know it's not done yet. She's still got the rust spot to do, and we got to order a new amplifier because they never covered the windshield, the previous owner, after the accident, and all the water damaged the amplifier, so there's no music right now in it. But that's at least of our concern. I put suspension on it so we can roll around, and tomorrow I'm picking up the rest of the parts. The pillar, the hood, the fender, the bumper, and the headlights getting shipped out on Tuesday.